What more could be beautiful, seduced and properly intertwined by the colorful blend of mixed vegetables?
The nice aroma takes all over the kitchen, and everybody wondered. It was the leopard salted butter.
Leopard butter.
Good food deserves low pack. Good food comes in a pack. A stir fry of colors, ring bells, spicy, tasty, you name it. A red to brown shredded beef is about to be settled in an Irish potato island. Before I forget, the berry bananas milkshake was whipped by no one but Arla whipping cream.
Sugar, spice, and everything Arla. Butter, cream cheese, whipping cream with savour. The thickness, the sizzling sound, the aroma,
Pure fresh cow's milk, spread from edge to edge, without additives and preservatives, 100% natural. Pleasure to the belly, dish to dish, garnish.
Big Brother will take some time to taste your luscious meals.